Oh, I'm going down.
Oh god, that's not good, right?
Hello people, welcome back to the channel. It's James here, and today I'm out for an Easter weekend ride with Finn and our mate Lee. And you'll notice I'm not riding my common cell Meta. That's because the legends over at Pivot New Zealand have lent us this bright blue Pivot Switchblade to make some videos with. Today I was just getting a feel for the bike and slowly trying to find its limits. But as you'll see, I managed to push it quite a lot harder than I expected. This thing rips.
Does feel pretty bumpy. Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! Yeah. Oh. This is where it gets exciting.
Holy shit! Ah!
Oh yeah, easy. Easy money. Oh, I'm going down. Oh. Oh, money.
Oh man, that next one's big. Woo.
So, like I said earlier, this is the first of a few videos about this bike. Later in the week we'll be seeing how it goes on some proper redwood single track, and we'll eventually be releasing a full in-depth review on it. As you can tell, this bike rips damn well for a trail bike with only 142mm rear travel. The next few videos with the Switchblade are gonna be bangers, so make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and give the bell icon a wee tap on the shoulder so you know exactly when those videos will come out.
Oh yeah. the log I died on. And now she opens up. Oh. This is the roll. Oh, get the pedals. Oh! Oh! Yeah, boy. Oh! Just straight. Oh.
Yes, boy.
Ah! Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh, she goes.